How to send TikTok video in WhatsApp without link. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch TikTok app. Make sure you log into your account. Now select the share button at bottom right corner of your screen. And on this video, you will see save video option. Select save video and the video has already been saved to your gallery. You can see the percentage at bottom left corner of your screen. So you can again see the share to section where you can choose WhatsApp. Now you can easily choose the chat or the person to whom you want to send and tap the share button at bottom right corner of your screen. And here you will see the share button at bottom right. You can easily customize this video and share to this friend. And that is how we can easily send TikTok video in WhatsApp without link. But note that this is applicable to those video on TikTok that has the save video option. So with this, we end the video. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.